Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning and welcome to another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, if you would like to finally face the pains or the issues that you have stopping you from living the life that you want right now, how about you and me see if we can work together to help unlock the next big thing in your world? Send me a text message on 07801 543 515. Let's book a time together and get this thing of yours up, running and on that road. First, here is today's quote. It's not about how bad you want it, it's about how hard you're willing to work for it. So come on, tell me just how bad you want this thing that you're chasing. If you're willing to put in the hard work and really push yourself to those limits, you, unbelievably, are already halfway to that new destination of yours. There are plenty of reasons to dream, but don't you want to make something out of it? If you do nothing with this incredible ability of yours, how exactly are those dreams going to become a reality?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.